Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Subaru Outback key fob battery. First, gather your materials: a new CR 2032 lithium coin battery and a small flathead screwdriver. It is important to confirm your specific key fob uses a CR 2032 battery, as some older models might require a CR 2025 or CR 1620. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and takes only a few minutes to complete. The first step is to remove the emergency key. On the back of your key fob, you will find a small silver tab. Press this tab firmly with your thumb or finger. Once pressed, the metal emergency key will release from its slot. Gently slide this key out and set it aside. This key is essential for manually unlocking your vehicle and also helps in opening the fob. Now it is time to carefully open the key fob. Look at the slot where you just removed the emergency key. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With gentle pressure, slowly twist the screwdriver. This action will begin to pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Continue to work your way around the seam, being careful not to force it, until the two pieces separate. With the fob open, you will see the old, flat, round battery. Gently pry it out using your screwdriver or fingernail. Take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it with the positive or plus side facing upwards. Align the two halves of your key fob casing and press them together until they snap securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until you hear a click, confirming it is locked.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.